What's happening to the world? All this news, all these events. If you still don't have your bag packed, I honestly don't know how you sleep peacefully at night. What bag?
It's my pre-packed disaster evacuation bag. It's recommended by the Department of Homeland Security. And Sarah Connor.
A year ago, here in Spain where I live, we had a blackout. The power went out across the entire city for a whole day, and there was no electricity until late at night.
Hello, IT, have you tried turning it off and on again?
Just so you can understand the full picture of how uncomfortable life without electricity really is, let me list everything that stops working. Your electric stove, microwave, refrigerator, TV, internet and Wi-Fi. You can't cook food, you can't order food, you can't even pay for food at the store with a card. Nothing works. You can't check the news, you can't make a phone call or even send a text message, because cell towers also stop working pretty quickly due to the limited backup power supply. I didn't even have a radio because, honestly,
Who needs a radio?
in 2025, right? Well, turns out I was very wrong. Everything was powerless and at a standstill. My phone became useless because there was no signal at all. And on top of that, it was draining battery right before my eyes, constantly searching for a network. The only thing that saved me was my handheld gaming consoles. Yeah, I literally just sat there playing on my TrimUI brick until it ran out of battery too. And well, going for walks was still an option, which I also did. That whole experience gave me the idea to buy a very important gadget, the multifunction emergency radio H17. It's a power bank, flashlight and radio all in one device. Now let's take a closer look at the device, but first let's unbox it and see what comes in the package. The gadget comes in the box like this. Inside there is a user manual. It says the device weighs 610 grams and comes with a 12,000 mAh battery. There is also a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging, and of course the gadget itself, along with a convenient carrying handle. The multifunction emergency radio feels very solid and well built. Let's go through each feature one by one. Starting with the radio. On top there is an antenna for receiving radio signals. You can tune into both FM and AM radio. Below the screen you'll find buttons for searching radio stations and controlling the volume. There is only one speaker and the sound quality isn't amazing, but honestly it works fine for me.
En radio, con elclubdelaradio.com.
Convierte al otoño en la mejor época para explorar el país, y durante estos meses las hojas de los arces, de los ginkgos y robles se tiñen de...
Under this rubber cover there is also a headphone jack. The next feature is the power bank. While charging, the display shows the battery level. The ports are located right here under this rubber cover. You can charge smartphones and other gadgets using either the USB-A port or USB-C port. By the way, on the side there is a hand crank that lets you charge the battery manually. Just turn the hand crank and an orange light on the screen will show that it's charging. I have no idea how effective this actually is, but it's pretty cool that they included it. There are also two small solar panels here. I can't really test how efficient they are either, but they do react to light, and the same orange charging indicator appears when the panels catch sunlight. The last feature is the flashlight. But it's not just a flashlight, it's basically a whole lighting system. The buttons are located on the rubber cover. The first button controls the flashlight modes. 1 click – regular flashlight, 2 clicks – ambient light, 3 clicks – flashlight and ambient light combined. The second button turns on the light panel located at the top under the solar panel. You can use it to light up a tent or a table. The bottom button is labeled SOS. Hold it down and it activates emergency mode. a very loud alarm starts going off and the flashlight begins flashing. In my opinion, this is a really important feature, and I am glad they included it. Overall, this is a great gadget for emergency situations, and now if another blackout happens, I'll actually be prepared, or at least I'll be able to hear the news and important emergency updates. Now all that's left is to buy a camping gas stove, so I can actually cook food.